Namaste students. Today we will be starting another topic of English grammar, that is articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun. Now, we all know that noun are naming words. Let's see. The boy. Boy is the common noun and the is the article. A bee. Bee is a noun and a is the article. An apple. Apple is a noun and an is the article. Let's learn more about it. Articles. You can see in the picture there is a picture of pencil. A pencil, and we have underlined the word P. A is used before a word with a consonant. An apple. We use an before a word with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and rest all alphabets are the consonants. The keys. We use the word the or we can say the article the when you are talking about something that is specific. Now we are going to do the deep study of articles. The words a, and the are the articles. We use a and an to talk about a thing in general. They are called indefinite articles. We use the to talk about a specific thing. This is called definite articles. So we can say this thing that a and an are the indefinite articles and the is a definite article. Now we are going to study about where to use the article a. Article a is used before a singular countable noun which begins with the consonant sound. For example, he is a banker. A banker. Banker. Banker starts with the consonant B. So we are using a. I visited a zoo in Delhi. Zoo starts with Z and a is the vowel, or we can say a is the article which is used before it. Second, before a single countable noun that starts with a vowel but has a consonant sound. Let's take the example. He studies in an university. It is starting with U. University is starting with U, but when we are pronouncing it, it sounds like YOUU. He is a European. European starts with E, but it sounds like YOU. So we are using article A or we can say a before it. Before an adjective that comes before a countable noun. For example, he is a good driver. Good is the adjective for the driver and a is the article. We gave her a picture book. Over here, picture is the article. Picture is the adjective and a is the article used. Let's begin with article an. First, before a single countable noun that sounds with the vowel, for example, she is an actor. Actor starts with A and sounds also. So we are using A and an article. They live in an igloo. Igloo is starting with I and has the same sound. So we are using the article an. Second, before a single countable noun which starts with a consonant but has a vowel sound. For example, his name starts with if. If is the sound, but if is the consonant, but it is sounding like if. So we are using an. He is an MP. So MP is starting with M, but it sounds like M. So E sound is coming. So we are using an. Before a silent H. Let's take for the example, I'll meet you in an hour. Hourr, but we pronounce it as our. So an is used. He is an honest man. H is the starting word for honest, but we are pronouncing it honest. So O sound is coming. So we are using an in place of it. Now we are going to start with the article the. The article the is used firstly when we talk about a particular noun. For example, the dog that bit me ran away. It is particularly indicating the dog which has bit me. So we are using the article the. The sun and the moon are heavenly bodies. Over here, it is specifically the sun and the moon. So we are using the article as the. It is used before the names of rivers, oceans, seas, and mountains. For example, the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas, the Red Sea, the Caspian Sea. These all are the names of rivers, mountains, seas, and oceans. Thirdly, before the names of books, newspapers, and magazines. For example, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Outlook. These all are the names of the newspapers, magazines, and books. Fourthly, before the names of mountains and buildings. For example, the Red Fort, the Parliament House, the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. So these all are the monuments and buildings or the places which are of great importance. So we have to use the article the before it. Fifthly, before the names of countries with plural names. For example, Maldives, Philippines, Netherlands. When we will be using it, we will be using it like this: the Philippines, the Maldives, the Netherlands. Sixthly, before the names of the countries that contains the words republic, democratic, kingdom or states. For example, the United States of America, the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. So we are going to use the in such things such as republic, democratic, kingdom and states. The United Kingdom, the United States of America. We do not use the before the names of the languages. For example, we learn English. They speak Chinese. Seventh, before the names of certain culture. For example, the Chinese dumplings, the Russian opera, the Indian Prime Minister. So these are the certain things or the cultures about which we are specifically indicating something. So we are using the article over here. Before the superlatives or the ordinal numbers. For example, we have 3 degrees, that is adjective, comparative and superlative. Likewise, we always say he is the best. Best is the superlative degree for good. Good, better, best. So we are using for every superlative degree the. This is the tallest building in Delhi. Tallest is the superlative degree of tall and we are using the before it. I met him the 3rd time at the mall. Third is an ordinal number and we are using the before it. So students, hope you have understood the articles very well, as articles are 3: a, an and the, and these 3 out of them 2 are indefinite and 1 is definite. That is, a and an are indefinite articles and the is the definite articles. Hope you have understood articles very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.